Welcome to Cryptoversity. This channel is strictly for entertainment and educational purpose only. Neither I am a financial advisor nor give any financial advice. Before you invest in crypto, do your own research. Investing trading is filled with risk, so do with your own diligence. Today we are going to talk about 9 basic terms you must know in cryptocurrency if you are investing or trading. What are we going to learn today? Market cap rank, market cap dominance, trading volume, circulating supply, total supply, max supply, fully dilution value, alt rank. What is market cap? Market cap equals to current price into circulating supply. Refers to the total market value of a cryptocurrency's circulating supply. It is similar to the stock market's measurement of multiplying price per share by shares readily available in the market. Next, what is market cap rank? Rank is the relative position a cryptocurrency occupies in the market. Usually, the rank of a digital currency is evaluated by its market capitalization. We'll learn about market We learned about market capitalization just before this one. So apart from relying solely on price and circulating supply, some ranking platform consider assets 24-hour trading volume. Since the birth of digital currency, Bitcoin has occupied the position number 1, as you can all see that. What is market cap dominance? Within the crypto world, the so-called dominance ratio is one of the most oldest and most investigated metrics available. It measures the coin's market cap relative to the overall crypto market, effectively showing how strong Bitcoin compared to all other cryptocurrencies that are not BTC. Those are called as altcoins. What is trading volume? Trading volume is the number of coins that have exchanged hands during a defined period of time, usually 24 hours. What is circulating supply? The number of cryptocurrency coins like Bitcoin or tokens like SafeMoon or Shiba Inu that are publicly available and circulating in the market is called as circulating supply. What is total supply? Total supply equals to on-chain supply minus burned tokens. The amount of coins that have already been created minus any coins that have been burned. Regularly you will see, right, in some of the meme tokens or in any other tokens, it is mentioned like for every buy there will be 2.5% burned or 5% burned, right? So that is something like that. What is max supply? The maximum number of coins is coded to exist in the lifetime of the cryptocurrency. So that is called as max supply. You can see for most of the coins, even for the ADA or even for Doge, you can see there will be total supply, but there won't be any available supply. So you can see how maximum they are available. For some coins they'll say like the maximum or total supply available is 3 billion, but the available supply is 1 billion. So that's how it is. What is fully diluted value? So FDV equals to current price into max supply. The market capitalization if the max supply of a coin is circulation. Note that it can take 3, 5, 10 or more years before the FDV can be reached, depending on how the emission is scheduled or designed. So for example, FDV of Bitcoin you can see in CoinGecko, but you cannot see the FDV of SafeMoon or any other, some of the coins which recently came into the market. So it takes reasonably 3 to 5 years to calculate the FDV. That's why FDV is current price into market supply, max supply. What is alt rank? Alt rank is a property measurement combining altcoin price performance relative to Bitcoin along with measuring the difference in social activity indicators between all coins. This combined metric seeks to provide a broader view of the health and performance of altcoins. What is social activity? It means like how many people have mentioned or talking about it, or how many influencers are talking about it. This is something social activity. There are a lot of social activity indicators which we will discuss in another video. For now, this is what altcoin is all about. So this is it. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe to our channel to know more about cryptocurrency. Thank you.